Hey everyone, welcome back to our HTML tutorial series, your daily step toward becoming a full stack web developer. In this episode, we're going to make your web pages more exciting and engaging by adding images and multimedia. Because let's face it, no one wants a plain text only page, right? By the end of this video, you'll be able to add images using img tag, use the src, alt, width, and height attributes properly, add captions using figure and figure caption, and as well as embed audio and video into your web page. So, let's jump in and start learning. Let's understand the img tag. Img tag is a self-closing tag that insert an image. An img tag is a self-closing tag that inserts an image. The img tag lets you display images on your web page. It has several important attributes. You have here the src, the alt, and the width and the height. The src is where you can place your file path or the URL of your image. The alt is an alternative text shown if in case your image can't be loaded. This also helps with accessibility. The width and the height controls the display size of your image. So this is an example of our img tag showing this cute puppy over here. Next up, let's discuss about figure and figure caption. We use this when you want to add caption or group related media. Now, figure acts as a container and a figure caption adds a descriptive text or caption. So this one is a figure tag that acts as a container containing one image and a descriptive text of that image. Next, let's embed an audio to our web page. The audio tag lets you play music or sound clip directly from your web page. You can add control attribute to show the playback options. So this is an example of our audio tag. Later on, we're going to use that one in our demo. Then, don't forget our video tag. The video tag allows us to display video content. We have different attributes in our video tag. You have the control, which adds play and pause button. We have the width and the height as well that set the size of our video. Alright, now that we learned the basics, let's put everything together in one example. Let's create a new HTML file called media-demo.html. Alright, now we've learned the basics. Let's put everything together in one example. Let's create a new file called media-demo.html. Media-demo.html. Now, let's use our shortcut exclamation mark for our boiler template. Let's change the title of our document to images and multimedia. Then, let's add the content of our body. First things first, let's add a title of our web page using h1. Let's say this page is for images and multimedia. Then let's add a paragraph. Welcome to my media demo page. let's explore images, audio, and videos in HTML. This time, let's add a figure. Let's use figure tag and add an image using img tag. Let's add the source, img src, images, and you have the beach image. Then, let's add an alternative text stating a beautiful beach view. Then let's set the width and the height. Let's say 40 will do for the width and the height to 50. So in the figure tag, we have an image. Let's add a figure caption. Then let's add a caption. My vacation at the beach. Let's try to see our output. Wow. So you have our H1. This is our paragraph. And this one is our image and as well as the figure caption. Now let's add a horizontal rule. Now, do you still remember how to add a horizontal rule? You're right. It's the HR tag. Now let's add an audio file. Let's have a subheading H2. Let's say my favorite song. Then we're going to use the audio tag. So let's add the controls. Then let's add the source. Let's say src. Let's locate our audio file. We have audio. Let's use jazz music. Then let's add an attribute type. This is an audio embed. Okay, let's try to see what we have for our output. And here it is, our H2 subtitle and our audio file. This time, let's add our video tag. So let's add again a subheading H2. You say short video clip. Do tag. Let's set the width to 400 and then add control attribute. Then this time, let's add the source. src. Let's locate our video file. It's inside our video folder with the file name video.mp4. Then let's add type. This type is a video. This type is a video and it's mp4. Let's see our output. There you have it. Don't forget to save your file. If you see this, that means to say you haven't saved your file. There you go. This page has now an image with a caption and an audio clip you can play and a video player. You've just brought your HTML page into life. It's your turn. Create your own file called media.html and follow this step. You're going to add heading H1, my favorite media. Insert one image with attributes src, alt and width. Add a caption using figcaption. Embed one video clip using video controls and save and view it on your browser. Awesome work today! You've just learned how to make your web page more interactive and engaging with images, audio, and video. Remember, design isn't just about what you say, it's about what people see and feel. Keep practicing and adding creativity to your page. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. In our next video, we'll move on to lists and tables, a key step toward building structured and well-formatted web content. This is Miss V, and remember, every line of code brings you closer to becoming a full-stack web developer. See ya!